This is the story Ask Norm. What we're going to learn about today is fan support. We have a 200-year-old house that was remodeled, fitted recessed lights. I have a beautiful ceiling fan with a light that I brought from another house, and in the kitchen. But Mom told me I can't hang the fan through the recessed light.
Yeah, fixture.
Fixture is Michelle McCurry's Mendon mat.
That was part 1 of how to hang up. Keep waiting.
Actually, this is fan support. This is how I found about the ceiling fan.